Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of the Remax quick charge and data cable, micro USB cable. This was bought from gearbest.com, and this is a 2-meter micro USB cable, black color. This is a 2-meter micro USB cable, and it supports fast quick charge.